hope everyone is getting ready for Christmas, right? Jesus Christ was born in the town of Bethlehem inside. Hello kids, hope everyone is doing fine. I'm very happy to see you back again in Jam channel. Today we are going to learn something from the Bible and we are going to do a craft work. I hope everyone is getting ready for Christmas, right? Yes, today's craft work is also based on the Christmas and it's about a person who is born on Christmas Day. We know that God created everything that you see, everything that is around you. He created the sun, the moon, the stars, the land, you and me. Yes, God is so great. God is so powerful. If you want God to come to this earth, how would you expect Him to come? Many will think like Jesus Christ will come as a king, as a big person. But Jesus Christ came to this earth as a human like you and me. Jesus Christ was born in the town of Bethlehem inside a manger. Yes, today's craft is based on this. We are going to create a manger. We are going to do the manger. Okay? Let us see what are the things that we need to make this craft. We need cardboard sheets, we need Fevicol, we need scissors, scale, pen, sellotape. We are going to cut these cardboard sheets in shapes of square to make this manger. You have understood how to make this manger, right? Yes. So let us see. What is a manger? Do you have any idea? A manger is a place where people used to have their cattle. Cattle like their cows, their horses. It is like a shed, a shelter place for them. Jesus Christ was born in such a place. Yes. God is so great. He's a great ruler. He's an almighty God. But such a God did not choose a place like a big palace, a big place. But He chose a manger. Yes, God humbled Himself in this earth to be born in such a place. The place which doesn't have any fan or AC. Yes, Jesus Christ humbled Himself because He wanted to be a role model for me and for you as well. Like Jesus Christ, we need to be also humble to God. When you humble yourself to God, Jesus Christ will be born inside your heart. Jesus Christ will dwell with you. Yes. So kids, I hope you got the message. And one more thing, we are going to continue this craft in the next week also. So the remaining part of the craft will be continuing next week. So I hope you got to know how to do this manger. Also, you do the manger and you send it to the below mentioned phone number and as well as the email ID.